அம்மா என்றால் அன்பின் முகவரி, எம்மை தாளாட்டும் உறவின் உயிர்கோடி, ஆனந்த பூங்காற்றாய் இருப்பாளே இதயத்தில், அன்னைக்கே நிகரான உறவில்லை உலகத்தில். அம்மா 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 என்றால் அன்பின் முகவரி, எம்மை தாளாட்டும் உறவின் உயிர்கோடி, ஆனந்த பூங்காற்றாய் இருப்பாளே இதயத்தில், அன்னைக்கே நிகரான உறவில்லை உலகத்தில். அம்மா.
We welcome you to the 12th anniversary celebration of Villa Karuna, home for the seniors in our Tamil community. Villa Karuna proudly presents Sandhya Ragam, the annual fundraising event for 2015. We thank each and every one of you for taking your valuable time to attend this fundraising event and continue to support Villa Karuna and its service to our Tamil community. As part of our tradition, we start any of our occasion with an auspicious ceremony, which is lighting the oil lamp. I would like to call upon the following individual to kindly come and start the occasion by lighting the lamp. First, the President of Villa Karuna Board, Mr. Mahendra Vinhas, a Board of Director, Vani Kazan, Mr. Gary Gladstone of Gladstone Consulting, Mr. Bas Barkasoon, our MPP for Scarborough Rouge River, and Mr. Parthy Kandabird, Trustee at Toronto District School Board. Thank you. Thank you everybody, thank you so much. And the coming Taiwan, please come to the stage please.
We see their eyes, the true north strong and free, from far and wide, oh Canada, we stand our God for thee.
I welcome you all for this nice function today. On behalf of the Board of Directors of Villa Karuna, I take immense pleasure in greeting you all. You are participate in the 12th annual celebration function of Villa Karuna. We at the board are very pleased that Villa Karuna Home for Senior continues to be inspired by the opportunities and possibility of our organization along with our clients has experienced as a result of loving care, assisted living services and the cultural sensitivity environment offered by the home. On behalf of the board of directors, I am grateful to Villa Karuna dedicated team of staff members, residents and family members who have continued to involve in the operation in supporting individuals from our community. And as a whole, I'll appeal to the whole community and the Tamil community and other communities to support Villa Karuna in supporting the seniors which have been taken care at Villa Karuna. Indrani is doing a great job for the community and for the seniors, and I hope this will continue for a long time, and I wish her all the best in future also. Enjoy the evening and good luck. Thank you.
I introduce the next individual. I would like to say a few words about her. And she is not a stranger to you or to many of us. 15 years ago, when she mentioned to me that she has a dream, and not just myself and everybody else that she talked about her dream, we thought, this is going to be really, really challenging. We've never heard about, creating a senior home for our Tamil community. We only know about this humongous mainstream organizations such as, EHONG and many other organizations. We thought, no, this is not going to work out. You're going to have such a hard time doing it. And then a few months down the road, she comes and tells me that she has a mission for this organization. I thought, okay. So mission doesn't just cut in running, there's a lot of work to do. So you have to have a vision and you have to have a board and you have to have so much of logistics involved in this. Years down the road, I believe in 2003, and when she first, called me and said, Sumi, we are officially on. Villa Karana Home for the Seniors is open to our Tamil community. And I've known her ever since, and I know how this home developed. And it is the pioneer, she is a pioneer in this field in our Tamil community. And many people have followed her and opened homes that serves Tamil seniors in our community. But I personally witnessed the struggles, the challenges. This is not just a beautiful, sweet dream. I saw her tears, I witnessed her long struggle to bring this home, her dream, to a reality. So I get goosebumps as I say this because I have personally witnessed this. I know how much she loved her mother. So if you think about what is a secret, so for everybody who does or goes extra mile to do extraordinary things, there's always somebody or something that motivates this person to reach that, that goal. And for her, it is her mother. It is her mother who just inspires her, Indrani, and all her children, and who planted the seed, the vision in her, that you need to help many others like myself. And she naturally did, and she naturally cared for seniors and she became a PSW, and then now she is, part of her staff, and she continues to help people like her mother. And today, this morning, when I spoke to her, she was in tears because she could not have her mother present, who was there for her in every step of the way. And unfortunately, because of her deteriorating health condition, she wasn't able to make it. So I thought to myself, the least I can do is to bring somebody who she holds, in respect like her mother, and bringing my mother to the stage, please. Mrs. Mary Nayagan, can you please come to the stage? And to honor this woman, this leader in our community, for her extraordinary commitment and hard work and an enormous service that she does to her Tamil community. Please join me in welcoming Indrani Nagendran.
Really miss my mother today. From the day one when I was having these events, my mother was there, her blessings were there, but today unfortunately she is very sick. But anyway, I got her blessings and she's always with her, wishes are there. Good evening, Vanakkam, I Bovan. First of all, I thank all of y'all to be here to grace our 12th year anniversary. That gives me a very big motivation, and to see all of you all are there back of me to give your well wishes and support. Actually, I have put all my thought in the souvenir, what I really want to tell you. But however, I want to say a few words. In our community now, the seniors are growing. Day by day, the seniors are growing, and the care level is not sufficient what is presently there for them. My dream is to bring up a EHONG center for the Tamil community. That was my day one dream, and there are so many people who are there to witness that. But whatever was able to do, within my means, I started this small Villa Karuna under Helping Hand Senior Care, and now it has grown as Villa Karuna Home for Seniors with the board of directors and holding a good reputation among our community for last 12 years, and we have served about 60 to 65 seniors by in the residence as well as going outside and providing services for them. So we couldn't have come to this level without your support. At the same time, the full support for us to stand here for these 12 years is my good team of my staff who never look into any anything back from anybody but full service oriented them. So I would like for you all to give a hand, and I want all the staff to get up please. Without them, actually Villa Karuna wouldn't have come to this position, because they don't look into the time, they don't look into the money, but they totally look into the service, what they are providing and why they are there. They love each and every residence as their mothers, and there are a few residents here who can witness that too, and the families too. So what I would like to say, if our community really think about this, our generation, within a 10 years time, of course we are going to be stuck. We should have a senior home for the Tamil community like the E-Home Center. So I need all of you all, if you all get together, of course we can make that. So whatever possible I could do, I am working on it, but we need the support from all of you. I would like to mention something. There are some ornaments which are kept here, which was made by our residents. It's not the money, it's not that I am telling you all you have to buy, but if you buy, they feel they are still valued. Their creativity is still valued. They feel full satisfaction. They did, and when I go and tell them, because few of them are not here, if I go and tell them, okay, some people bought your creative things, they will be very happy. That is a satisfaction you all are giving today for them. So if you can please help buy those ornaments, it will be greatly appreciated. Thank you very much. There's nothing much for me to say. And once again, I thank bottom of my heart for all of you all to be here, and the volunteers who have worked with me for last couple of weeks very hard to bring up this, to put up this. I really thank them, and I think you will enjoy the rest of the evening. And also there is a very important program, is the fancy dress competition. They are the seniors, they have put their creativity, their time, so please give a good applause to them to make them that they are doing their part. So it will give them some motivation to give their performance. Thank you very much once again, and enjoy the evening.